Hi YouTube, it's Julie here and I just got some new hair extensions and I was just about to open them but I'm like, hold up, we gonna make this a YouTube video. So this is gonna be a YouTube video. Wait, let me go lock my door real quick. Okay, so this is the box for it, and because these are Aliexpress, I don't really have high expectations for them. Excuse my ratchet hair, but I have a cute little ponytail today. But yeah, let's open it up. See, I barely opened it. So let's open it. Okay. I was really excited for these. And these are like the Yaki. Okay, so this is the store. It's called Dreaming Queen off of Aliexpress. It's gonna be an unboxing / review. Okay, so here's the hair. It is the Kinky straight clip-ins extensions. And then it comes with these cute little flexi rod thingies. That's cute because I was gonna buy these, so it's nice to have these. And then it has this little card. It says that stuff. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, so I thought that these were real, but it's not. It's actually really fake. It feels synthetic. Okay. Oh, and it has this little extra clip. And okay, so this is my first time ever buying hair extensions. These I bought for like 40 something dollars. Okay. It feels fake. It doesn't really feel real, but whatever. I mean, I thought these were real. I mean, I guess it kind of does. It feels like like Caucasian hair. No offense. I mean, not that that was offensive, but that's what it feels like. Doesn't I thought it was be more Afro texture, but like a lot of they don't really get hair like that. So they have to process like white people hair to get it like this. So I'm gonna go get some scissors to cut this open. Okay, so we're just because it has like these little wire thingies. So let's cut these open. My God, this is so difficult to cut open. Okay, so there's one. Oh my God, I'm gonna cut my own hair. Okay. So I've never had clip-ins extensions before, and I don't know how to use these, but I'm so excited. Hopefully these last a long time. And you just gotta take care of it. Oh my God. Okay. So that's the first piece. And then second piece. And then this piece. I think it's like 7 or 8 pieces. And then little small pieces. And then, these little pieces. And then obviously we gotta have the one pieces. I think I'm gonna straighten these and just wear it with my hair straightened. I thought, you know what, because on the website it said that it would take 12 to 20 days to come, but it hasn't even taken that long. It probably took like a little over a week. So yeah, I thought it would take longer than that, but it actually didn't. So I'm really happy that I got these quicker than I thought. And yeah, so these are my hair extensions. So far they feel okay. I mean, they feel kind of dry, but I mean it's fine. I think I'm gonna buy some silicone mix to use it to like deep condition and whatever. And this is good because I don't like my hair to be too long, so this is just 14 inches. um yeah, if they had 12 inches, honestly I would have gotten that because I don't like because okay, where I live is hella white people everywhere. They don't really understand this shit. So like if I come to school with short hair one day then long hair the next, I get all types of questions, talk about some, oh my God, Julie, how did you get your hair that long overnight? I don't feel like explaining shit to anyone. So yeah. um so yeah, that's my little hair video. And yeah, yeah, I'm gonna flat iron these because I think I'm just gonna wear it when my hair is straight, or I'm probably gonna wear like a braid out or something. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, thank you for watching the video. Peace, love, and kisses. And obviously, I'm gonna do a review video after I like wear these for like a day, because today's just unboxing. So yeah, bye.